Hello everyone, as you can see, it's raining right now in Osaka, and it's actually really exciting because in November it's not so much rain. I already did VR recordings, but I also wanted to try out how the DPA 4560 sound like when using an umbrella and walking around. First I thought I'd do it alone, but why not come along with me and we record some rain sounds together. I think we should go over there, there's a nice corner, and then we just walk down the street. See how that sounds like. Now the most important part is that we protect our microphones from wind, and I think we can do this by just holding it here or going really low, just depending on where the wind is. I haven't started yet. First we go over there and then we start recording. Alright friends, so I'm starting the recording now. Also, you can't listen at the same time with this device, and for me that's not a problem. Some people like it. When you have something like the Roland, you might get feedback. The safest way is you start recording, you walk for a couple minutes, then you listen back to the recording. And if it's okay, then you can just start recording. Are you ready, Livy?
Oh yeah.
You're set? All right, get your headphones ready. All right, let me know. How does it sound like? Also, what we're doing is we go over there. There's a street. There's a little bit more activity. Also, how does this sound like here with the splash in the water here? Maybe not a smart move. Now I have wet feet. As you can hear, the rain is picking up, and I want to try just to stay here, and then I move the umbrella up and down. Wow, what a difference, huh? That's so cool. Let's see what else we can find here in this area. This is fun. Like, this is really fun. All right, now let's walk down the street, and I can already see the train is coming. As you already know, I love to record train sounds. All right, that's the thing, you know, I see sounds. And when I see this, I know that sounds amazing. And these are all sounds that I would record right now here using a different microphone, because we are actually protected here. So let me just give you an example of how it sounds like when I just turn my head from the left to the right side. Any difference? Let me know. I can only hear it when I'm editing these sounds. Here comes the train. But we wait for another one. So now that we're already out there and the Shinkansen line is just around the corner, why not just go there and record them as well? And one thing that I really love about this microphone is the cable. There is no cable noise. When I walk around, run around, nothing. I tried this with the Roland, I tried this with the Soundman, and it's almost impossible not to get cable noise as long as you don't attach them somehow really tight to your body. You see the small tunnel behind me? Let's walk through it and see how that sound changes. Let's see. And listen. Headphones ready, friends? Let's do this. This is cool. This is cool. Wow. You know, this is such a cool difference, right? You can hear, but there's rain dropping on a bunch of plastic bags, which is very surprising for Japan. I see this right now. Now, I get a question quite often, and that's how I record rain sounds. And I try to be in places like this. I try to focus my microphones on a certain sound source, but I also have to make sure that my gear is protected from rain. And for this is great, and I find them all over the place when I record sounds. But I will put your link in the description down below if you have something like a blimp, but you want to put this thing into the rain and you want to have a cover above. The Rycote has that, but also Cinela. Now let's go head over to the Shinkansen. Also the reverb in here. Oh, it's great. Blow up a balloon in here. Amazing. Behind me, this is the Shinkansen line, and that's where we're going to stand, somewhere here on the left side, and then we record the sounds of it. It's not, of course, super fast because we're in the city, but still so nice to listen to. Especially at nighttime. I already recorded right there. Oh, I think it's coming. Yeah. Oh, I just missed it because of the trees. But next shot. Now what I love the most about this area here is, I was already here at nighttime, recorded a bunch of sounds, is that we have the Shinkansen line above, but then we have another train line underneath, and we have another train line going that way. And when I recorded these sounds at nighttime, maybe you saw it on Instagram, the Shinkansen was in the exact same speed than a freight train underneath, and they both went into this direction. And just to look at, and the sound of it is absolutely amazing. And now what we're doing is we just wait here for the Shinkansen to pass by. There's another one coming. Now, who would have thought that I can record everything at once? A Shinkansen, a freight train, and commuter trains. All right, as you can see, the rain has stopped. And yeah, what is Libby doing here? Right now, we're making the thumbnail for this video.
Not awkward at all.
No, look at this. Whee!
Just a very normal position.
Libby behind the scenes.
It's so hard. Okay, that works. Looking cool.
We only had a small window to record these rain sounds, and if you're interested in more recording with the DPA 4560, feel free to check out this video that we made in Seoul. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.